Hi everyone, welcome to my class.
Assalamualaikum and hello to my students. Today's video is going to be the last video for Unit 3, which is Wild Weather. In this video, we are focusing on speaking skill. And let's start our lesson. Students, let's see the objective for today's lesson. Okay, the first one, we need to give an impromptu speech within 2 minutes regarding the topic. Let's see. Are you able to give a speech within the given times? Okay, the last objective for today's lesson is you need to classify 5 things that people should bring if a flood happens. Okay, later after you have classified all those things, you need to present in front of your teacher. Okay students, since we have learned a lot in this unit before, can you give me some examples of natural disasters that you know and you have learned before? Okay, let me start first. Okay, the natural disaster that I know is flood. Okay students, instead of flood, because I already gave it as the example, can you give me one more natural disasters in the comment box below? Okay, can? Yay, good job my students! Wow, okay, I can see a lot of you were commenting about earthquakes and storms. Very good. And you have remembered all of the things that we have learned before. Okay, since you still remember those natural disasters, let's play a game. We are going to play an impromptu speech. Okay, let me explain. Okay, individually, you need to pick one topic only from the slides, and within 2 minutes, you need to think and talk about the topic chosen. Okay? Okay, since this is just a video lesson and you can record yourself and send it to your teacher, or you can have one siblings or friends to listen to your speech. So far, do you get it? It's very simple and easy activity, right? So here's are the topics that you can choose, and the floor is yours. Good luck students! Okay, good job student. You did a very good job. Give a big applause to yourself. Okay, a lot of you are super creative and talented. Now, let's do an extra exercise for today's lesson. We need to do a bubble map, or you can do anything based on your creativity about things that we need to bring if flood happens. Okay? For those who have experienced this natural disaster, might be a bonus point for you because you have known what should you bring and what should you don't. Okay, and for those who don't, you need to think carefully and put your selected items in the bubble map. Remember, one item or point is for one bubble only. So far, do you get it? Okay, you are given 5 minutes to complete this exercise. Teacher, I want to share my answer for the class exercise. Can I? Okay, for the things that I want to bring if flood happens in my place, the first thing that I will choose is an important document such as birth certificate or my examination results. Other than that, I would bring important gadgets such as my laptops or my phones, because I think that is some valuable things for me. So I want to bring them if flood happens. and I might be afraid the gadgets will broken. Okay, apart from important files or documents and gadgets, I think I want to bring gold. This is because I have a few goals, which is that is mine actually. That is not my parents. So I want to take care of it. I'm afraid that it might be lost if floods happen. Other than that, I want to bring my clothes, especially the prettiest one, because I think if floods happen, we might be transferred to somewhere safer, maybe in the hall or school, because we need to live together with another families. So I need to wear something. And last but not least, I think this is something important, because if floods happen, that means there's a heavy rains or storm, so I might getting sick easily. So I need to have a medicine, such as flu medicine or anything that related. That's all from me. Wow, that's a great explanation, my students. Okay, now let's see the next slide. Okay, students, we have reached the end of our lesson. So let's look at what have we learned for today. Okay, first one, you have revised what things that you have learned before, which is Unit 3, Wild Weather. Other than that, all of you have managed to complete an impromptu speech. Very good. It's kind of impressive because it's your first time, right? Okay, and the last thing that we have done for today's lesson is all of you have managed to do or to list things that we need to bring if floods happen. Okay, class, let's moving on to the last topic, which is the moral values. Okay, there are two moral values that I already highlighted here. The first one is we must take care of our earth. Okay, why I said so? Because if we took care of our earth, there is probably the natural disasters did not happen if the earth is not safe. So class, you can plant trees in your home, or you can recycle things. There are so many things that we can do in order to prevent from natural disasters to happen. Okay, the next point is we need to read a lot about earth and natural disasters. So if we have read a lot of this topic, we can prevent ourselves from going to such places that often have natural disasters there. Okay, students, I think that's all for today, since this video is just a very simple and short. Alright, I guess we'll see each other in the next video with a new topic. Bye bye, students. Assalamualaikum.